Let me ask you something that most people are too afraid to ask themselves. Why does life feel heavier for you than it does for others? Why do some people move through the world with a calm energy, while your mind feels like a storm that never stops? Why do certain people stay grounded, disciplined, focused, without forcing anything, while you feel like you're constantly fighting your own thoughts? Maybe you've seen someone like that, someone ordinary, but strangely powerful. They aren't rich, they aren't lucky, they aren't naturally gifted, yet their life works like a well-built machine. Everything feels balanced, controlled, peaceful, effortless. And here's the truth no one ever told you. Lives don't collapse because of one big mistake, and lives don't transform because of one big decision. Your life right now is the sum of tiny habits, the ones you repeat every day without even noticing. At first, these habits seem invisible, but over years, they shape everything: your mind, your body, your character, your future. Japan has understood this for centuries, not as trends, not as hacks, not as aesthetic routines, but as a way of being, a way of turning chaos into clarity, a way of turning ordinary people into quietly powerful ones. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 Japanese habits that don't just change your life. They upgrade it. Some take seconds. One has helped entire communities live past 100, and all of them can rebuild the parts of you that life has broken. So breathe. Let your mind settle, because what you're about to hear might shift your entire direction. Let's begin. Habit 1. Kaizen, the one-step revolution. Let's be brutally honest. You want to change your life, but you're exhausted before you even start, because every improvement looks like a mountain. Get fit, fix your routine, become disciplined, be productive, build a better life. It's too big, too heavy, too much. But Japan has a weapon so simple it's almost unbelievable. Kaizen, one tiny improvement every single day. Not a transformation, not a breakthrough, not a crazy burst of motivation. Just one small, almost laughable step. But here's the twist. Kaizen isn't about the step itself. It's about the identity that grows from it. 1 push-up today, 2 tomorrow, 10 next week. And suddenly you're no longer someone trying to change. You're someone who does change. Tiny habits compound, big habits collapse. Your brain hates intensity, but it loves small wins, small progress, small victories. Kaizen sneaks growth past your resistance and makes improvement your natural state of being. Ask yourself every day, what is the smallest step forward I can take? Because when you master tiny steps, you master your entire life. Habit 2. Ikigai, your silent reason for waking up. There is a quiet emptiness inside millions of people. You've felt it too. Not depression, not sadness. Just a sense that something is missing. You wake up, but you're not awake. You work, but you're not fulfilling anything. You move, but you're not moving forward. Japan has a word for the thing you're missing. Ikigai, your reason for being. Not your job, not your responsibilities, not what society expects from you. Ikigai is the one thing that makes life feel meaningful. It doesn't have to be grand. It doesn't have to change the world. It just has to change you. You discover it through 4 questions. What do you love? What are you good at? What does the world need? And how can you earn from it? But here's the dramatic truth. You don't find Ikigai in one magical moment. You grow into it. It evolves as you evolve. It becomes clear only when you start following your curiosity, not your pressure. Once you get even a small glimpse of your Ikigai, your days stop feeling like chores. They start feeling like a path made only for you. Habit 3. Hara, Hachi. Boo, the 80% rule of longevity. Picture this. In Okinawa, one of the world's longest living communities, people pause before every meal. They take a breath and say, Hara, Hachi, Boo. Eat until 80% full. Not stuffed, not heavy, not in a rush, just satisfied. This single habit has been linked to lower inflammation, slower aging, reduced disease, better digestion, higher energy, and extraordinary longevity. But the drama goes deeper. Hara Hachibu is not about food. It's about control. Most people eat from emotion, not hunger. From stress, not need. From habit, not intention. They don't listen to their body, the one thing that never lies. Hara Hachibu forces you to pause, breathe, and reconnect. Eat slower. Put the fork down. Notice the moment your body says, Enough. Not full, not empty, just balanced. When you respect your body begins to respect you back. Habit 4. Gaman. Strength in silence. Life breaks everyone. Some softly, some violently, some in ways that can't be seen from the outside. Japan has a word for surviving those moments without losing yourself. Gaman. Enduring hardship with dignity and calm. It does not mean pretending. It does not mean ignoring your pain. It does not mean faking happiness. It means, this is hard, this hurts, but I will not shatter. Gaman builds emotional steel. The strength to stay calm when life spins. The patience to survive storms. The discipline to remain centered. The wisdom to not waste energy on the uncontrollable. When you practice Gaman, something shifts inside you. You stop reacting to every small problem. You stop panicking at every uncertainty. You stop letting chaos control your peace. You become grounded, steady, unshakable. Pain becomes resilience. Struggle becomes strength. Your broken pieces become your armor. Habit 5. Kintsugi. Turning your scars into gold. Prepare yourself, because this is the most powerful habit of them all. When a bowl breaks in Japan, they don't throw it away. They don't hide the cracks. They don't pretend nothing happened. They repair it with gold. Kintsugi, the art of making broken things more valuable than before. But this isn't about pottery. This is about you. Your cracks, your heartbreaks, your disappointments, your failures aren't signs of weakness. They are the places where your strength grows. They are where the light enters. Healing doesn't erase the past. It honors it. You don't become beautiful because you never broke. You become beautiful because you rebuilt yourself. Stronger, wiser, more compassionate. Don't hide your scars. Fill them with gold. Let them shine. Because the most inspiring people aren't the ones who never suffered. They are the ones who rose from the ruins. Final message. The truth about change. These 5 Japanese habits aren't loud. They aren't dramatic. They don't require perfect discipline or motivation. They require something far more powerful. Small steps, small awareness, small daily choices. And when you repeat those tiny choices, they quietly reshape everything. Your mind, your health, your confidence, your relationships, your purpose. Don't try to fix your whole life at once. Don't force everything in one week. Just pick one habit, one philosophy, one small shift. Your transformation begins the moment you take the first small step. If this video touched even a corner of your heart, hit subscribe because your new chapter starts now. And remember, massive change doesn't come from giant actions. Massive change comes from tiny habits done quietly, consistently, and forever. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's time to rise.